Today I'm going to make this creative advertising poster. Go to canva.com. Select the size 736 pixels into 1041 pixels. Choose a dark green background. I am uploading the product photo. You will get the image link in the description box. Click to import and then adjust the size and position. Go to Edit. Adjust. Set contrast 20 and sharpness 30. Now go to Elements. Search for a green glow. Select this. Adjust the size and position. Go to Edit. Increase the temperature and tint to 100. Add another focus light. Flip to vertical. Increase the temperature, tint and saturation to 100. And adjust the position to the top. Search for green shadow. Add this. Decrease the transparency to 80. Go to Edit. Increase the temperature and tint to 100. Change the size and position to backward. Search for the shadow. Add this. Adjust the size and position. And change the position to backward. Upload olive picture. Import into the timeline and remove the background. Flip horizontal. Adjust the size and position and move to backward of the product image. Go to Elements and add a shadow. Change the transparency to 70 and then set it to the olive picture. Add another shadow to the olive. Upload an olive leaf. Import this. Adjust the size and position. By the way, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Duplicate the leaf and set it to the product's top right side. Add a shadow to the leaf image. Congratulations, you've done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.